Okay, the builder is complaining about a noise coming through the sink, so see if we can hear it. Okay, so the condensate line, it originates right under there. So we'll go up and see what's going on. Okay, I was looking for the attic access and actually found something pretty cool. You know what that is? That's a security room to hide. But the cool part is, it's got another door right here. You just push on this, and you're in the living room, in the kitchen. Okay, we're up here in the attic, and as you can see, there's no P-trap on either one. And it looks like they're both going the same designated spot over there, so the same sink. So we're going to put P-traps on both, and we'll go down and listen and see what it does. Okay, we're going to install a P-trap. It's always insulated. So we need to install a P-trap here, but we need to vent it before we do that. So we're going to have to get creative here. So first go and cut this here. That's our primary one. Pull it out of that. We'll have to redo that. You can see there's some water. My glue. And our primer. Gonna prime that. And glue this in place real quick. You always gotta vent these before the trap. Okay, so our trap is going to connect with a 90. If I can find one. Yeah. Okay. A lot of PVC got wasted because somebody didn't do this right. A little bit more time. Now, prime this. Running out of PVC glue. That's not good. Now this was strapped down, so we're going to restrap it just a little lower, only on the primary side. Okay, now we're going to install the vent real quick, and this one will be done, and we'll move on to the next one. Alright, turn the power back on. That one's done, and we'll move on to the next one. Okay, both of those are done. Let's go check it out and see. I don't hear anything. Awesome. So that's how you take care of air coming through the sink. P-trap. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.